Well, I bet you're here because your Ford radio doesn't have a display working either. Well, that's what's going on with mine. Mine's a 99 Ford Explorer, but the radio's all pretty much the same. So you can see it's on, it's making noise, but there's no display. So let's get this thing fixed. I'll show you, it's not too hard. They make a special tool to get these radios out, but you could just use a regular coat hanger, which is exactly what we're going to do. Just cut the two ends off. We got two pieces of coat hanger cut. I stripped the plastic off the ends, makes them go in a little easier. Poke that in all the way till it's firmly embedded. Same with this side here. Now bend it outwards. And the radio comes right out. There we go. It should have wires in the back we need to disconnect. Looks like a couple of plugs here. Little press tabs. There's one, there's one. And one more. There we go. Oh, and the antenna. The radio's free. Let's take it inside of the bench. All right, first thing, let's get the faceplate off. There's a screw on each side, little small one here, number 1 Phillips. We got to pry out just gently on these little plastic clips. Try real hard not to break them. This one's already been cracked a little bit, as you can see. There we go. There we go. As you pull it away, there's a connector inside. Very gently pull that outward. It should pop right off. All right, there's one screw right here we want to pull out on the back of the radio, right next to the heat sink. And from here, we're going to pry upwards on this panel. Just gently, the whole thing, both sides, should pop up and out. Now from the front of the radio, looking in the top left here, there's a little tab right here and another one right there. Twist this. Almost. There we go. Now that we got those tabs pulled back, there are actually 2 screws right here we got to remove as well. And let's lift this unit out. Here we go. This is the board we were looking for. Well, this thing's a mess, and it kind of looks like I've been here before. Let me clean it up. We'll see if we can't see what's going on. I'm pretty sure there's bad solder joints on this thing. Some rubbing alcohol on it. We'll clean it up a little. Man, this thing's gross. Well, let's look at it. Ooh, don't breathe that in. Ooh-wee. Well, no wonder this ain't working right.
Where have the years gone?
Well, as you saw from that other video, this thing's it needs some love. So I'm going to go through and touch up a whole bunch of the connections on here. Let's see if we can't make them look a little better, you know. There we go. Should we go try it out? All right, let's put it back in. Same way we took it back out. Antenna. Got 3 little plugs. Get in there. Well, let's see what happens. Hey, look at that. It works. That's kind of weird. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, it works pretty good, right? Go get yours fixed now.